Hello students and parents, Cbse has released the details for re-verification and revaluation. So now let me explain it for class 10th. The class 10th re-verification or revaluation process would begin from 27th May until midnight of 2nd June. And the first step in this would be obtaining the photocopy of the answer sheet for the subject for which you want re-verification or revaluation by submitting online 500 rupees. Now here you have to understand, at that time itself you have to decide whether you want to go for one subject, two subject or three subject. So when you will fill the form and submit with the amount, you have to clearly be decided. Later on they will not give you any chance. Now let us go after that. So you have obtained your photocopy. Now you want verification or revaluation. Now let us understand what verification means. Now verification means you want to verify certain things which you feel are not correct. Like one, supplementary sheet. You attached and you did not get your supplementary, or the supplementary sheet attached is not yours. So you have to give them the proof that why you feel so. Second, which question numbers are not evaluated. You may find in your answer sheet that some question papers are not evaluated, so you can tell them to verify for the same. Third, step marking total error. Now what is that? Then steps you have been given, say 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 marks, but there the total it is written 2, so that error can be there. Then there can be entry of marks error, like in question 11 you are getting 4 marks there, but entry outside the answer sheet shows 2 marks, so that can be an error. So you have to say that so and so error has happened. Now that can be totaling error in row wise. So there are rows and you will find that each row has a total. So suppose that doesn't match, then you can say row second total doesn't match. And likewise you will have column wise total. So you have to see all column wise total also match. So if that doesn't happen, then you can give. So the totaling error. Now it can be possible that in your answer sheet the marks are say 53, but in the mark sheet you have received it is mentioned 35 or something like this. So that also you can bring, that the mark sheet shows some marks and something else is given. So this is re-verification. And here if you want, then 500 per subject you will have to give. So suppose you want for maths and science, 1000 you will have to give for answer sheet obtaining and 1000 for re-verification. So 2000 rupees. Verification, it can be 1 point, 2 point or all 7 which I have mentioned. Now comes revaluation. So suppose in question 3 you feel that it is say any question 4 marks and only 2 marks are given. Now for that you have to see the marking scheme which is there on the website along with the question paper of your code. So now you can verify as per marking scheme the answer was this and my answer is also similar or that pattern. Then you can challenge that question that I have to obtain more marks, and you can give your reasons or supporting documents also, which has to be clearly understood what you want. And for that, per question 100 rupees. So suppose you go through the entire sheet and you feel 5 questions mein problem hai. So then you can challenge those questions. And here I would advise, before challenging questions, do take advice of the experts so that you are sure that there is a problem, because there is a probability or possibility of marks getting decreased also. So first be sure that this is there, and answer should be verified from authentic books. Don't go for side books. Side books ke answers ka verification. You try to get NCERT and then go ahead. So this is a re-evaluation of your answer sheet. So here it is 100 per question. Now if you feel कि मुझे re-evaluation भी है और re-verification भी है, then the amount will be done accordingly. That is, you have to apply. And suppose you feel that all are correct, re-verification नहीं चाहिए, खाली re-evaluation करना है, then you go ahead and do it for those questions which you feel you're challenging. Right? Now I hope the process is clear, and here you have to submit it online through your only. Don't go to cafes or other IDs submitting. You will have to submit on your own, and payment is online, so no draft, nothing. and only once the form is submitted. So make sure before doing, and it is first come first serve. So the first ones who apply will get the answer sheet first. That is what the process is, right? Thank you. In case of any doubt, do write to us.